This is War Notes from Ukraine. On June 10th, Ukrainian missiles and drones have made several strikes on Russian military installations in Crimea, while on June 6th, there were further attacks on Russian fuel infrastructure. Fires occurred at a refinery in Novoshakhtinsk, in the Rostov region, and at one of the fuel bases in the Belgorod region. On June 8th, one of the prototypes of the 5th generation Su-57 multi-role combat aircrafts was damaged by shrapnel in an attack by Ukrainian drones on the State Flight Test Center of the Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation in Akhtubinsk. Satellite images also indicate that a second machine of this type may have been slightly damaged. This is the first case of flare damage to a state-of-the-art Russian military aircraft. Follow us for more updates.